Why, hello everyone. This is James. Some people call me Uncle James. I'd like to welcome you to this video. Now, in this video, we're going to look at 3 reasons why someone should use MorningFame. I would like to say, remember, success leaves clues. You are designed to do great things. There is greatness within. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. Now, I am currently using MorningFame. I am using a paid version of MorningFame, but there's also a trial plan that you could use, and that plan is at no cost. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, reasons why someone should use MorningFame, or reasons why I use MorningFame. 1, it helps you to optimize your video search. Well, what does that mean? It helps you to identify keywords that will assist you with SEO, with search engine optimization with YouTube. Now, it goes in and it identifies a lot of the key terms, a lot of the keywords, and it kind of gives you a search result. And with that search result, you will know which terms to use. Okay. Now, the next one is number 2, growing your channel. Now, MorningFame does assist you with growing your channel. It allows you to see how many views, watch time, and engagement. And these things are extremely important. Now, as you increase your keywords or your terms, well, not terms, but your tags, that will increase your visibility on YouTube. It will make you easier to find. And then number 3, this is one I like also, is it allows you to see best practices. It goes in and it looks at all these things that you've done with your channel, and then it allows you to see what is working and what is not working so you can make changes. Okay, this is very important if you have a great desire to grow your channel. All right. So let me speak this blessing over you. Until we meet again, may the Lord continue to bless you. May He smile upon you, may He be gracious and kind to you, and may He give you a long, good life, 120, 130 years of age. This has been Uncle James. Have a great week. Take care.